Hi guys, David here, and today I want to talk about the Rode Videomic Pro and the battery compartment door. So usually I just take this out of the drawer, put it on my camera, I'm ready to go, because I haven't really replaced the battery very many times, so usually it's ready to go. But then whenever I took it out of the drawer, the actual door popped off. So I was trying to put it back on. I was wondering why it was actually not working. So I was searching the web and I found some videos. People were just showing you how to put the door on. In my case, the actual battery door has two little pieces that were busted off. So I don't know if that's how it came whenever I purchased it, you know, a few years ago, but it's not working anymore. So I don't want this to happen again down the road, so I figured I'd just fix it myself. So let me just show you what I did to remove the battery compartment door if you were having the same issue. So let's head over and let me show you how I did that. So you can see right here is where the door would be. But when you put it on the door on, see, it doesn't latch because there's two pieces right here that are just busted off. So instead of using the door, I'm just going to put the battery in basically, and we're just going to keep it like that and put a rubber band around it. So to do that, we're just going to remove these rubber pieces, shock mount pieces. We're going to do that. We're going to remove those. Remember the four there. Okay, so now this is removed, and we're going to take these pieces, so they're over top of the rubber bands. So now put the battery in. Rubber band over top, it'll lock it in there. So now we can turn it on, turn it off. Because that door is not attached to anything, so it's not like you need that door for it to work. So that's basically what I did for my Rode Videomic Pro to get it to work again. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, you can please put them in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.